All right, so for this part of the step, make sure you're logged into Amazon Web Services, and I've also got a timer, a stopwatch timer here, and the purpose of this is just to keep track of the time it takes to do the whole step. You don't need to follow this. This is just because some parts of the video may truncate to keep it short. So here we go. So here we're on the home page or anywhere on the site where you can take a free trial. I'm going to click on it. You should arrive at a pop-up something like this. You can sign up with your email, password, phone, and full name, or use Google or your Microsoft account. I'm just going to use Google because that's what I use. If you haven't set up your phone number and name on Google Apps, it might ask you for some information, and you'll arrive at a screen similar to this with two options: the launch stack or the manual. You can find the videos about both. I'm going to pause the videos from running. So we're going to use the launch stack, which is the cloud formation method, and it has a unique external ID that will become relevant as we go through the steps. So I'm going to click launch stack, and that will create this launch stack, and click next. And here is where you will need the external ID from the step here. So I'm just going to copy that and paste it here. Click next. In the screen there's nothing to be done. Click next, and here you need to click on I acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might need IAM resource. Click next and hit refresh. So this is where that script is executing, and it takes usually somewhere between 30 seconds to 60 seconds. You can click refresh, and this is part of the step to gain read-only access for the account that we run this processes from, to get read-only access to the CloudWatch data of your account. So you can read more about the security access of it on our FAQs or all throughout the site, or if you have any specific questions, do not hesitate to ask. So here the status has changed green and it is complete. That means the setup was done. So the one piece of information that is needed is from the Outputs tab. You need to take this value that comes from here and paste that in here, and give a name for this account to know this is my test account or something to that effect. Click Save AWS Account. And at this point, the process is to run the discovery or the analysis starts. And this process takes about 3 minutes from the time it starts. So here we are about 2 minutes into 3 minutes into the process. I might pause the video and come back when it is ready. So here we are. It's 3.5, so about a minute, and it may take up to about 3 minutes is the duration to complete typically. So now we can click on this, and so you know when you see the monthly spent data, then you know that the discovery process and the analysis is complete. So when you click on it, you should arrive at a dashboard screen that looks something like this when it gets painted. So here what it says is, in this account there is 16% opportunities for me to reduce my spend. My current monthly spend is this much. I could save $107, and if I saved the $107, that would bring my next bill to $557. And this is just some internal rating of how your account rates against the overall community score, which is something we're building on. You'll see a cost pie, which tells you how you go about realizing the 16% savings. So 83% of your spend you'll have to carry, and there are some misconfigurations, that's 4%, and resize. And you can click on this and it will drill down into more details. Then you'll arrive at, you can see the daily spend. So as your baseline's been established based on the first discovery and the next run during the trial, it will keep track of how you are spending against your baseline of $21. So tomorrow, when it runs at the set time, it runs once a day, you will be able to see whether you're gone up or less or higher from this. And you have the option to set up an increase or a decrease threshold. Some automatic settings are in play here. So here, if my spend is between $20 and $22, that's my healthy range. If I have a spend of something that brings it lower than that or higher than that, I'll get an email alert or an SMS alert stating that that I have increased or decreased my spend. And here you'll see your trend as it starts monitoring from now on. You'll be able to see additional details. I'm not going to get into the details tab because of some sensitive information there is, but you'll see the data. You can drill down from here and go to the details tab or the changes tab. And we've completed all of this in a little over 6.5 minutes total to arrive at this level of insights. And additional videos will be there on the site to give you more details on any of this, where I may have gone a little too fast in some stages because of my comfort level, and I need to factor that.